I'm so happy you're here today. Guess what we're drawing? A sweet and lovely heart. Hearts are all about love, friendship, and being kind to each other. So grab your favorite color, maybe red or pink, and let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and tap the bell so you don't miss more fun drawings with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our new videos. Wow, it's looking so cute already. Do you know that hearts can be different colors? Red is for love, pink is for kindness, and even purple hearts are magical. Which color are you using? Ooh, great choice! Let's make this heart full of joy and happiness. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Red. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our new videos. Pink. Light blue. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our new videos. Yellow. Now that our coloring is done, let's make it pop. I'm gonna grab my black marker and carefully draw around the heart. Outlining helps the heart stand out and look even more beautiful. Wanna try it too? Go nice and slow. You got this. lovely heart is all done. Full of color and love. It looks so nice with a black outline too, right? Thank you for drawing with me today, little artists. If you had fun, don't forget to subscribe, tap the like button, and hit the bell so you're the first to see what we draw next. And hey, if you love today's drawing, check out our strawberry video too. It's super fun and juicy. See you next time. Bye-bye.